This is a little video to show you how to use an interlinear Bible and Strong's exhaustive concordance of the Bible. So here is an interlinear Bible on BibleHub.com. If you're using the New Testament, you'll go to the Greek interlinear. If you're using the Hebrew Bible, you'll go to the Hebrew interlinear. I'm clicking on interlinear chapters. So what we have here is the first verse of Genesis 1. And so here in the middle is the original Hebrew. Above that is an English transliteration of the Hebrew words. So if you want to try to say them, there it is. Below it is a word by word English literal translation. So hayata means was, wa ha aresh means and the earth, ha aresh means the earth, wa et means and. At the very bottom here, we have grammatical parsing telling us what each of these words is doing grammatically. And then at the very top, we have the Strong's numbers. So Strong's Concordance assigns a number to each word in the Bible. And so it's a way to kind of bring together all of the data of every word in the Bible and organize it. This was more helpful in a print age. In the age of the internet, it's sort of superfluous, the numbers, but we continue to use them. So what we're going to do right now is we are going to follow up this word God, which is Elohim, and I'm going to click on the number. But first of all, I'm going to note that it's E. So, this word has many different uses, and they're going to be organized by letters, and I'm going to note that this one is E. So here I go. I'm going to click here, and it's taking me to Strong's Exhaustive Concordance, also within BibleHub.com, and here we have the word Elohim. Basic information about this word. We've got the Hebrew, the part of speech. It's a masculine noun, phonetics, and a basic definition, God and God. Now over here, we have a concordance. Actually, we have a number of concordances here that are listed. And what a concordance does is it shows you all of the other places in the Bible where this word is used. So the Englishman's Concordance goes all the way down through Genesis 1:25, and you could click here and get 2,598 other occurrences of the word. This is the New American Standard Exhaustive Concordance, which gives us a number of other data, most helpful of which is that it tells us that in the New American Standard Bible translation, this word Elohim is translated as divine, divine being, exceedingly, God, 2,326 times. So each of these is used one time. God with a small g, 45 times. Gods, 14 times. Possessive, and so on. The Brown Driver Briggs Concordance gives us more information about this, a bunch of what the uses of different forms of the word. And we're going to scroll down. Here's more information from Strong's Exhaustive Concordance. Here are all of the different forms that the word takes in its various grammatical forms in Hebrew. Not that you'll need those. Um, so this can help you in expanding your understanding of a word and how you might want to translate the word and how you might want to understand it in context. How do I stop it?